Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to take a look at the RANDbetween function. Now what the RANDbetween function does is it creates random numbers, so it's really useful if you want to create dummy data in Excel to practice formulas and functions on, for example. So we've got some made up sales rep names here, and we're going to use the RANDbetween function to put some made up sales numbers in these cells here in column B. So I'll type out RANDbetween. And what we have to do is we have to specify a bottom value and a top value, and these are the values which all of our numbers will be between. So they're not going to be lower than the bottom value and they're not going to be higher than the top value. So for the bottom value I'll just go with say 235, and then for our top value I'll go with 876. Now I hit enter and you can see there we've got a random number between those two values of 323. And something that's important to mention is the RANDbetween function is a volatile function, which means every time you enter something in a cell or you close and open your workbook, the formula recalculates. So if I was to just enter into this cell here, for example, hit enter, you'll see how the value has changed. And the same thing will happen if I drag this formula down, the top value will change again. And basically it's constantly changing. So what we can do to just sort of get some fixed values that aren't changing, we can copy them just like that. Copy all of our functions, right click and paste as values. And then we've got all of our values locked now, and we don't have to worry about them constantly changing. So if I was to enter something in this cell, I'll just type hello, you'll see how all of our values now stay the same. So that's just a quick run through of the RANDbetween function. As you can see, pretty simple to use and a great way to create dummy data in Excel.